NASA chuan astronaut train tur mi som ala thara mi pa pali le meiche paruk ni in anzinga pakhat hian Sikeisen leilung arap maithei astronaut train tur thlan chhuah group thar the hi NASA ina astronaut class alak foi somni palina ania kumsang hi somni pakhat nuwa a foi khat lak na ani bok NASA thlan chhuah te hi mituru tak tak vek ni in scientist fighter pilot engineer le US rugby women national team atelte ani hloma astronaut train tuma in enroll candidate sangriat chongzinga hian mi som chau he thlan chhuah ani training paltlang te chu space flight mission a until theidona heti lai hian NASA first Artemis moon mission atel tur ro chuan anla graduate man arinom lova hei hi thla lon tum le na mission ani in graduate nuwa ero commercial space station han thoimo mishing zinga Sikeisen leilung rap na saber ni theina chance an nei thungdona karkal ta khan NASA Johnson Space Center a heng astronaut train tur te hi puanzar anni astronaut ni chak tam tak kan om nge in arinoma lut ve thei tur hian in background nge nei ngai ti te hi heng mi som an thlan chhuah thar tang te hian a hriat thei wangin an chan chin tlang pui te hi han bi chiang don te ang astronaut lo ni to te ang bokin kumsom thum pariata upa pen bailey po hi military member le pilot experience nga tak ania US Army a hian chief warrant officer ni in experienced pilot darkar sang ni chuang thlok tling to ania thlona hi chisom thum chuang a khal to bok nuclear engineer ani thin boka thlona norkal to propulsion system siam chhuah he anna ber ani military experience ani ba ka hian mechanical engineer a bachelor degree ani boka tuna hian system engineer a master degree azole trap to bok kumsomli aupa Dr. Lauren Edgar hichu geologist ni in space exploration le scientific research lama hian kumsom ni don experience ani to Sikeisen en fia tura thon chho NASA Mars rover mission ate hian kumsom pasari chuang na lo tho to pa kha NASA astronaut te po lo train to train Artemis 3 geology team a deputy principal investigator ni bokin thla a NASA lon atum le na hian apui boka atna hi atlin ema fangin NASA group achievement award te po lo dong to Dr. Edgar hian art science a bachelor degree nein geology a master degree le doctorate degree ani bok kumsom thum panga upa adam farman hi chu experimental test pilot ani ba ka US Air Force a hian major ani boka boruwa ka darkar sang ni za thlok to in darkar zalivel hi chu combat mission in a fe chuak MIT atang graduate in aerospace engineering le political science degree ani nuwa US Air Force test pilot school azoma heta hian flight test engineering a master degree a hlo chuak le bok pilot ni tura a train lai hian system engineering a second master degree a hlo chuak le boka thlona hi chisom ni pasari chuang set khalmanin F-16 le F-35 supersonic fighter jet te hi a khal tamber astronaut ni tura thlan chhuah ani lai hian flight test unit a director of operation na achela flight test lama hi chuan athu berti na ani chu kumsom thum panga upa Cameron Jones po hi US Air Force a experimental test pilot ani a thlona hi chisom thum chuang a khal to aerospace engineering a master degree nein US Air Force test pilot school atangin flight test engineering a master degree ani bok darkar sang khat zaruk chuang a thlok to darkar za somnga hi chu combat mission a fe chuakin F-22 Raptor hi a khal tamber kumsom lia upa Yuri Kubo hi chu electrical le computer engineer ni in kumrei tak chung chu rocket ka chu na muna hian a thok train electrical le computer engineer a master degree ani nu hian Elon Musk sa company SpaceX nuaya kumsom panhi chung zet na athok mana Falcon 9 rocket ka chhuah na tur launch site design tu zinga mi ani nge astronaut train tur thlan chhuah ani hun lai hian electrolyzer siam chuak tu company electric hydrogen a vice president ani mek bok kumsom thum pariata upa beki lolar ve thung hi chu US Navy a lieutenant commander ni trinin experimental test pilot ani telbok US Naval Academy atangin mechanical engineering a bachelor degree muin anwa John Hopkins University atangin space system engineering a master degree amule bok master azir hun lai hian US Naval Test Pilot School a zirpain graduate boka US Navy a hian kumsom pakhat chung zet na thokin P3C Orion anti-submarine le surveillance aircraft te hi akhal thina darkar sang ni zaria thlok to in thlona hi chisomli panga chuang zet akhal mana darkar zathum veli chu combat mission nein a fe chuak kumsom thum pakwa upa enna menon hi chu tuna astronaut train tur an thlan chhuah zinga chuan khovel pon han chuak chho chun ania SpaceX ina space flight abuat sai Polaris dona khan mission specialist le medical officer ni in atelve SpaceX azom ma hian mathematics le Spanish ate dual major bachelor degree muin Duke University atangin biomedical engineering a master degree anei le bok tichuan NASA mission control center a biomedical flight controller na athoka anua SpaceX a hian kumsari chuang athok le bok kumsom thum palia upa Dr. Imelda Muller he US Navy a lieutenant ni trinin undersea medical officer ania behavioral neuroscience a bachelor degree nein University of Vermont College of Medicine atangin medical degree anei le bok kumsom thum palia upa erin over kesi hi experienced pilot ani baka US national team a world-class rugby player ani bok aerospace engineering a bachelor degree amu noin bioastronautics a master degree amulea US Naval Test Pilot School a akal chunzom le bok erini hi Pacific le Middle East lama achitlatam bera darkar sang khat zathumare thlok to in thlona hi chisomni chuang akhal mana indolong aircraft carrier a hian voice ani somni pakwa zet atum lotling to bok tun malamin US Navy World Class Athlete Program a member ani boka US Rugby National Team a telin Olympic Training Center a ahuntam sok amang train kumsomli pathuma upa Catherine Spice hi AH-1 attack helicopter pilot ani baka Marine Corps test pilot ani telboka darkar sang ni chuang athlok to chemical engineering a bachelor degree nein anua US Naval Test Pilot School atangin a graduate lea tichuan Harvard University atangin design engineering a master degree amule bok US Marine Corps a atholai hian captain a kai sangin darkar zathum chuang zet combat mission nein a fe chuak bok ole khangte kha astronaut train tur te ho anzirna lamle experience nei te chu ania an chanchin kan Hriata tang hian mi enge model lo tan hi chuan astronaut ni hi thil theilo thluk ani astronaut lo po hi chutiangin athate chiam lo boka hetiang degree le thiamna mang hi chuan nadang hlo san theina hi atam hle chu wangin a hlo tam lam ai mai in van sang lam tuimi te ta na ti ani deuh pera lo sang tak hian na sang tak ein tirbi kherlo ti atilang chiang hle